Hey, this video is part of our Vitamix 101 course.
Yeah, you can buy this course where you'll get the recipes, shopping lists, quizzes to test your knowledge, support from us, and lifetime access.
Otherwise, you can keep watching for free on YouTube. Either way, happy blending. Bye.
All right, welcome back. Let's discuss some of the most important things that every Vitamix owner should know. Now, they're gonna seem really basic, but these fundamentals are crucial for getting the most out of your Vitamix and for getting it to last way beyond its warranty. All right, let's talk about the cord. I know, the cord. The power cord, first of all, it's heavy duty, 3-prong. So don't try and put it into a 2-prong outlet. It's gotta be grounded. The second thing with the cord, and this is cool, decide how long you want it to be. Find a place for it on the counter, and the excess cord hides under the motor base. Hooray for feng shui. Let's talk about the motor, the engine, the animal inside of this machine, the beast. Each Vitamix is equipped with a high efficiency motor. And the question is, how does it stay cool? Well, under the hood, each motor has two things. One is a fan. You can actually feel it working while the Vitamix is running. Second is a thermal protection system. When activated, it monitors burnout and overload and will turn the machine off if it's being worked too hard. Think of it like a fuse that switches if things get too hot. So here's a question. How does the Vitamix machine know to activate these two mechanisms, the fan and the thermal protection system? These two systems are activated when the Vitamix is running on high speed. High speed, people. This is important because when the Vitamix is running on, say, variable speed 8, these two systems might never engage. Think of your Vitamix like a racehorse. Racehorses are bred to run at full speed, and if they're held back, they're likely to get injured or burnt out. Moral of the story? Don't be afraid of running your Vitamix on high speed. It's what it's meant to do, and when it does, it will last much longer. All right, let's talk about the blade assembly, and this is great. The blade assembly is fixed to the container. You can't remove it. So here's why this is so awesome. You'll never have to clean inside and in between the seal. Did someone say Lucille? I mean, if you've ever owned a low-end or kind of a mid-grade blender, you know how big of a pain in the butt it is to clean in between the blade assembly and the container. I mean, it's like having to clean dentures. Now, the blade itself is made of a hardened, laser-cut stainless steel. And why is that important? Well, it's surprisingly not sharp. Sure, you can touch the blade by accident and it's not going to be good. And yes, you should stay far away from the blade when the machine is running. But for the most part, you can rest assured, especially when you're cleaning it, that the blade is, for the most part, dull. I know what you're thinking. How can the machine work so well if the blade is dull? Well, it's all about the engineering. So let's talk about that, the engineering. Your Vitamix can do some pretty cool things. Yes, it's a blender, but the advanced engineering is the reason it can make much more than just smoothies. On one hand, the powerful motor can churn through the thickest, most frozen ingredients to get you ice cream. And on the other hand, you can process vegetables and cold water and get hot soup in 5 minutes. But you know this. But what you may not know is how it's done. There is no heater. The friction from the blades heats the ingredients. So how does ice cream not turn into hot soup? Well, when you make frozen desserts, the blades don't have the opportunity to create enough friction. They're not running for long enough, and they don't have a chance to run fast enough. Think of it like this. What do you get when you put frozen bananas in your Vitamix for 30 seconds? You get banana ice cream. But when you take those same frozen bananas and process them for 5 minutes, you're gonna get hot banana soup. Mmm. And with all this power, you'd imagine that your machine won't last long, right? Not the case. You know about the warranty. It's incredible. And it's one you can actually use. If there's anything wrong with your Vitamix, you're covered. The warranty even covers normal wear and tear. Just call Vitamix customer service and they will take care of you at zero cost. Just call them up. It's 1-800-VITAMIX. Tell them what's going on and they'll try and troubleshoot the issue with you over the phone. If they can't fix it, they will send you a shipping label for you to send it in. And once it's done, they'll ship it back to you for free. Yes, Vitamix pays shipping both ways. Not sure if your machine is still under warranty? Look on the back for the serial number, call up customer service, and they'll tell you. All right, last thing on the warranty, and I love this. Vitamix warranties are transferable. So that means you can pass down your Vitamix machine to a loved one and they're covered too. All right, now that we've completely exhausted the fundamentals on your Vitamix machine, let's go ahead and test ourselves to see what we've learned. Go ahead and mark this unit complete, take the quiz, and I'll see you in the next module.
Hey guys, it's Shalva from Life is No Yoke. You should subscribe to our channel because we film everything while our baby is napping. And I think we do a pretty good job.
Yeah, unless he's not napping, and then you'll see him.
Napping. Then he's in the video.